Hey, welcome to Daily Needs. As anyone who has been the victim of bedbug infestation will tell you, getting rid of these little blood-sucking vampires is just as difficult to deal with as the actual thought of these horrific bugs crawling all over your body and in your bed while you sleep at night, sucking your blood out for their own sustenance. This guide will tell you how to get rid of these monsters in a simple, cheap, non-toxic, and effective manner that won't involve several bug bombings of the furniture closest to your body. This is also a great method for people who cannot afford to just toss out their mattress and buy a new one, and even if you do that, you would still want to do everything on this list, as that will more than likely not be the only hiding place for these pests. Daily Needs presents how to get rid of bedbugs organically. Method 1. Clearing the clutter. Number 1. Organize any clutter or mess in your home. Organize any clutter or mess in your home as well as you possibly can. It is always easier to isolate the problem and work in a clean environment. And don't assume that just because your house is clean, dirty, that is the reason you have an infestation. Bedbugs are an epidemic, and they prefer any environment that houses a warm, living body for them to feed on, including your pets. Your personal cleanliness has nothing to do with it. Bedbugs do like to hide in piles of laundry and surprise your bed, bed skirt, and box spring. They will make it into couch cushions and blankets, and whatever else they can. More often than not, though, they are coming in through a hole, opening, or crack somewhere. Number 2. Clean everything thoroughly. Wash any and all exposed clothing, bedding, cushions, fabric, etc. in as hot water as the fabric can stand, and use bleach if possible on anything that you can. A color-safe bleach would be perfect for this purpose. Vacuum and mop the carpets and floors. Use bleach on the floor first and then use the water-alcohol solution to spray and mop it down after. Wipe down any surfaces that can handle the water-alcohol solution without suffering any damage as a result. If possible, bag up anything you cannot wash with an airtight seal and put it outside, if you live somewhere that temperatures are freezing, somewhere in the snow, or if not, put it somewhere that may expose them to heat but will not damage the bag or the item you have inside it. You are trying to cut off their air supply and kill them with extreme temperature. When in doubt, throw it out, if you have the means to do so. If there's anything else not mentioned yet, just clean it at the very least with very hot water or freezing. Comment below. Yes or no. Method 2. Preventing climbing. Isolate your bed from the wall. That is, move it away from the wall, so that there is no direct contact between your bed and said wall, and therefore, no longer an easy route to your sweet, succulent blood. Cover the bed in the mattress cover, if you have one, and if your bed is on a frame or raised from the ground in some other fashion and can handle petroleum jelly on its surface, cover the legs of your frame with the petroleum jelly. These insects cannot fly and, therefore, must crawl to whatever height they reach. If there's a good bit of jelly on there, they'll get stuck and you can just wipe them off and reapply as needed. For more tips, see how to avoid insect bites while sleeping. Make sure to keep your bed at least 1-2 feet, 0.3-0.6 meters away from everything, including the wall, nightstand, books, etc. Your bed should be surrounded by space only. Climb-up insect interceptor cups can be placed beneath beds that have 4 legs. The cups have 2 rings inside. The bug climbs into the outer ring, which is coated in a fine dust. Don't inhale it and become stuck there permanently, unable to grip onto the slippery sides to climb into the second ring where the leg of your bed is standing. Make sure the leg of the bed is high enough off the ground so that bedbugs can't reach. Make sure no bed sheet or comforter ever touches the floor or you will still get bitten and have to wash everything all over again. Make sure you never put something that was sitting on the floor on the bed if you don't want to wash everything again. Bedbugs can climb up any object, including the ceiling, and fall onto your bed. If your infestation is severe, they will even fall down from the ceiling. In that case, it's time to call the exterminator. Did this video help you? Let's comment below. Yes or no. Method 3. Killing the bedbugs. Number 1. Sprinkle food-grade diatomaceous. Sprinkle food-grade diatomaceous earth into and onto any cracks, holes, openings, or anywhere else that is dry that you feel may be the entry point for the bedbugs invading your home. Diatomaceous earth is an ingredient in most of the bombs aimed at bedbugs. The shards of the shell, or powder, are microscopically sharp and puncture the thin, waxy exoskeletons of these night-feeding demons, causing them to dehydrate and die. Our eventual goal in all of this. Number 2. Apply the alcohol mixture. Apply the alcohol mixture if your skin can handle it before you go to sleep until the infestation clears. You may also want to consider wearing more clothing when you sleep as well, and ladies, pull your hair back or put it in something because they will crawl into loose hair. Anything you can do to prevent them from getting to you, do it. Although bedbugs don't carry disease, and for most people, the bites are unnoticeable, for some they itch, and itch, and itch. Bedbugs can bite you anywhere. Number 3. Kill and be prepared. Kill any you see on contact and be prepared to deal with bloodstains on your bedding, so you may want to change it. In fact, the small blood stains left as a result of rolling over and killing them is often what makes a lot of people realize they have a bedbug infestation in the first place. One place you may want to look at closely is in the folds of the bed skirt. The last of them should die off in about a week, possibly 2. But it may happen sooner than that. It all depends on the severity of the infestation. Did this video help you? Let's comment below. Yes or no. Method 4. Ensuring the end of the infestation. Number 1. Clean everything thoroughly. Again, this is to remove any dead bugs lying around and just as another precautionary measure in case there were still some eggs or baby bloodsuckers that made it through the initial phase of cleaning. They will get vacuumed up very easily. Number 2. Wash all. Wash all of your bed sheets, comforters, duvet, pillow covers. Wash everything where a bedbug can potentially hide. Number 3. Buy bedbug mattress and pillow protectors. You can't wash these in the laundry machine, so wrap them up with a protector that has a bedbug-proof zipper that will seal any existing bedbugs inside and prevent any new ones from crawling in. Did this video help you? Let's comment below. Yes or no.